If you're using Beehiiv, setting up a welcome email is one of the smartest things you can do for your newsletter. It helps you make a strong first impression, introduces new subscribers to your content, and gives them a clear idea of what to expect from your emails moving forward. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can create and enable your Beehiiv welcome email quickly and confidently. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This is where Beehiiv keeps most of the important newsletter and account options, so this is the area we need to work from. After that, click Emails. On this page, you'll find the email-related settings for your publication, including automation options and preset messages. Now scroll down until you reach the Preset Emails section. This is where Beehiiv stores pre-built email types that you can configure for different subscriber actions. Look for Welcome Email in that section. This is the email that new subscribers will receive automatically when they join your list. If you haven't created one yet, click Configure Welcome Email. If you already have a welcome email set up, you'll see an option like View Welcome Email, and from there you can click Edit Email to make changes. Now you're inside the Welcome Email editor. The first thing to do is enter a subject line. This is the first thing your subscribers will see, so keep it clear, friendly, and aligned with your brand. You can make it warm and personal, or keep it focused on the value they'll get from subscribing. Next, enter Preview Text. This is the short snippet that appears beside or under the subject line in the inbox, depending on the email client. A good preview text can improve open rates, so use it to add a little extra context or curiosity. Now, write your welcome message in the content editor. This is the main body of the email, and it should feel human, helpful, and on brand. Welcome your subscribers, thank them for joining, and briefly explain what your newsletter is about. Tell them what kind of content they'll receive, how often they'll hear from you, and why they should be excited to stay subscribed. If you want to make the email more engaging, type a / or just use the / command to add different content blocks. Beehiiv give you options like images, buttons, dividers, and other elements that can make the email look cleaner and more professional. You can use a button to send readers to your website, add a divider to break up sections, or drop in an image to reinforce your branding. It's also a great idea to include links to your best content, your website, or your social media profiles. That way, new subscribers can immediately start exploring more of what you offer. You could link to your most popular article, your latest video, your homepage, or your community pages if you have them. Once your content is written, click Preview. This is an important step because it lets you see exactly how the email will look before it goes out to real subscribers. Review it carefully in both desktop and mobile views, since a message can look very different depending on the screen size. Make sure the formatting looks good, the text is easy to read, and all your links and buttons are placed where you want them. When everything looks right, click Save. That locks in the changes to your welcome email content. Now return to Settings, then Emails one more time. Find the option to enable the welcome email and toggle Enable Welcome Email on. This is the step that actually activates the automation so that new subscribers receive your message automatically. If Beehiiv prompts you to save changes again, go ahead and confirm it. Once that's done, your welcome email is live and ready to greet every new subscriber who joins your newsletter. And that's it. You've now created and enabled your Beehiiv welcome email. This small setup can make a huge difference in how professional your newsletter feels, and it helps turn new subscribers into loyal readers from day one. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more Beehiiv tutorials and other easy software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.